Welcome to another video from Doc Lock. I'm in a unit block, as you can see, looking around, and this is what we're looking for. A gate. Missing lock. Been removed. As you can see that. I've eventually found the gate. One thing I also found was this stuff. Wouldn't want to live in that unit. Obviously the police have been there. Anyway, looking, and I found it. It's a midget gate. Absolute midget gate. Now looking at this, that's it. So lock we're going for is a 3582. Very hard to work out what handles were on it from the photo. So the handles we've come with today are these ones here, and they're obviously not going to fit. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to pin the handle down like this, so it gives it something nice to kind of hang on to. We don't have another set of handles, so we're going to have to do that. That way it gives the gate something nice to hang on to. On the inside we're going for this handle here, which is going to be escape function. Although the door's a little tiny midget and you can just reach over, that's what the rest of the building has, so that's what we're going for. For some reason somebody pinched the lock out of it. Don't know why. You could easily just walk over it. You can easily just unlock it, but somebody's pinched the lock. So anyway, that's our job for the day, a little tiny midget gate. Looking at the photo, I couldn't believe on how big this gate was. It's a tiny gate. And the lock hardware we're going to be putting on here, these handles are like $160 a piece plus the lock, so we're talking $500 worth of hardware on a midget gate plus cylinder. Got to do the cylinder too. Anyway, that's what we're working on today, and I'll show you after it's done. Okay, so pinning of the handle. Reason we're going to do it is because it'll give the handle something to hang on to, and it'll also allow to use one with a handle rather than plug this hole up. So it'll look a lot nicer rather than replace it. So the way I'm going to do that, I'm just going to remove this part here. I'm going to remove this spring mechanism. These parts are good and they can be kept. I mean, they never really break, but you can keep them for later if you need. So we've got that one out there. So that's where we want our handle, and it's probably the easiest way to do it would be to just simply drill on the side, come straight through there, and put a pin in there. Because the handle sits like this, I'm going to do it on this side so it doesn't look so ugly. Called pinning the handle, so that is in there rock solid. As you can see, there's a big nasty screw going straight through it, and it's unlikely to kind of go anywhere. Looks okay from this side. There is one side here that of course it's not going to look beautiful, especially when you have to cut the screw off. Let's do that. Pan this over just a little bit. Just so there's no bad edges. Now remember our door, there was hard up against here, so there's really The rest of the lock, a few scratches there, doesn't look too bad. So don't know how we got mark there. Oh, it's just rust. Right, so there's our pinned handle now, and it's ready to go back on the door. One Midget gate lock complete. And the pinning of the handle, it's quite nice.